Hi friends, in this video, we'll show you how to claim bonuses on the Bybit platform using a special referral code. We'll go through all the steps, from activating the code to receiving various bonuses and participating in promotions. You'll have the opportunity to get a $20 coupon, win $1,000, grab a chance to earn up to $30,000, join airdrops, and much more. Watch this video till the end and start your journey toward extra rewards on Bybit right now. Step 1. To activate your bonus, you need to create an account using the special code. Open the Bybit app and click on the Sign Up button on the homepage. If you don't have the app yet, you can follow the link in the description to download it or register on the page that opens. A registration window will appear. Enter your email address or phone number and create a strong password consisting of letters, numbers, and special characters. In the referral code field, enter Q4NT. This code will activate your participation in the platform's bonus program. Once all the information is filled out, confirm your email, and your Bybit account will be ready. Right after registration, you'll receive a $20 coupon, which can be activated in the My Rewards tab. In addition to the coupon, there are other bonuses waiting for you. To claim the next reward, you need to complete the verification process. By doing this, you'll be able to enter a lottery where the maximum prize is $1,000. To verify your account, provide your personal information, such as a passport or driver's license, and take a selfie. Once the verification is successful, you can choose from one of the cards with various rewards. You also have a chance to get up to $30,000. To do this, top up your wallet on Bybit and actively trade. As soon as you reach a certain trading volume, the bonus funds will become available. You can also participate in an airdrop by making a deposit of $100 or more. Plus, you'll have the chance to enter another lottery with a maximum bonus of $100. To qualify, you need to make a P2P deposit of at least $10. Remember, these promotions are time limited, so it's best to start completing the tasks as soon as possible after registering. We've covered how to activate the code and join the bonus promotions on Bybit. Stay tuned for updates and new offers on the platform so you don't miss out on important bonuses. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.